This video is to walk through Lab 543, how to boot into the Windows recovery environment. So we're an IT administrator. We want to boot the laptop by pressing the power button at the top, and we're going to evaluate the system. We're going to answer question 1 and find and run the startup repair, and then make sure it boots up into Windows. I'm going to go ahead and click Start the Lab. This one we do have some hardware that we need to look at, so we need to push the button, so don't be scared about the hardware view. I'm going to go to my laptop. And I am going to, oh, I want to hit my little button. I want to change my view, and I want to go to the top view because that's going to show me where my button is. My button is at this top right. Let me see if I can scroll in a little bit more. There we go. This top right is where my button is, and I want to go ahead and click on that power button. Now it does take me into the actual laptop's environment. And so it says my PC did not start correctly, press restart to restart it, or which sometimes can fix the problem, or I'll also do the advanced options. But let's do the questions first. So which environment is the computer booting into? So it's not the blue screen of death. Even though it looks like the blue screen of death, it's not the blue screen of death. We are not yet in the BIOS. We're not in Windows settings. We are in the Windows recovery environment. And again, don't push check your answers because we have some stuff to do first. So we are going to go ahead and select advanced options, and it's going to give us some options on what we want to do. So the first thing we want to do is we want to troubleshoot. So that's going to be able to allow me to reset or see more advanced options. The first one says to continue, so just go on to Windows. The second button is to like boot from a USB, and then the one on the right is to turn off. So let's go to troubleshoot. The first thing it has is just reset it, or I can go to advanced options. Let's do advanced options first. Reset, it seems like a very harsh thing, so we'll save that one for like our last possibility. Okay, so it says find and run startup repair. So startup repair is this one right here at the very bottom on the left-hand column. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, and it's going to go ahead and start the startup repair. And it's going to check for some errors and see what's going on and see if it can figure out itself what it's missing, and be able to correct it. Now, startup repair can take a long time. You saw the error or the message that said it could take up to an hour. That's actually probably not incorrect. Depending upon how much stuff you have going on in that Windows environment, it could take quite a while. But now Windows is up and running. It looks like it's running fine. So let's go ahead and check our answers, and we are good to go. So that is how you get into some of the Windows recovery environments.